Let's build your first REST API using Python. REST APIs exist so that our software can communicate with other software regardless of the programming language that's being used. In this case, we're using the Python package called FastAPI to define the actual REST API itself, but we can use other things like the Django REST framework or many others. So the idea here is we have two primary functions for an API service: to get data or to send data. There are other functions, but those are the main ones. So when we want to get data, this is kind of like a database lookup, or it could be calling a function we can call the get endpoint. If we want to send data, we send a post endpoint. Normally with post endpoints, you actually have a data structure that it needs to follow. In this case, we have a Pydantic model for that data structure. Once we have the correct data structure in place, that means we can validate the data that's coming in, so it's the correct kind of data that we want on our API service, and so we can do something with it, in this case calculating a total, and we can see the result of that by just calling the API itself. It's really just that simple.